so brown.
No wonder. So that's clear.
Put the holes in there. Turn the water on, you're gonna see all the water coming out right inside there. Yep.
So that mesh thing was preventing the water from going down?
Yeah, but that water shouldn't be going
So
there.
it should be going in there.
Right. It should be in that bucket you were talking about.
Yeah.
Well, which water?
Okay, so remember, basically we're doing it, right?
Uh-huh.
You're busting up here, go all the way back in line, 6 inches off the wall,
Okay.
right? Over here, you're gonna steer it from this pipe, and remember there's a pipe going here, so don't chip the pipe, careful, right? Over here, steer it from this pipe, you're gonna dig all the way back 6 inches from the wall. When you reach 6 inches, stop.
Alright.
Dig until you reach this pipe right here. You're gonna dig all this too. You see out here? Dig all that and throw the dot on the side here.
Alright.
So you're just going back like that. Now, if anything, let me say for
If anything
the
go
thing-
wrong with that, just
use the
it,
channel lock
lock.
and close these two.
Alright.
Alright? And they go shut the water.
Alright.
Very simple job. Gonna be a lot of digging, but remember, even when they reach over here, right? I want it wide. The reason why I want it wide because I want to run the trap from here, so they have access to the other trap instead of it being, you know. When you reach to this, make sure I see this pipe when I come. Now from here, right? From where this T is going down to about here. You're gonna clear around the pipe in that area, so I could put a T. I could put a T. Because what I'm gonna snap the pipe here. Once we see the pipe,
I just want everything clear.
yeah, I'm gonna snap the pipe here, and I'm gonna put a T in it, and then this is gonna go into the T, and then come out this way.
Alright.
All right. So that's what you're gonna be doing tomorrow.